How to choose a Cadaver course? There are 10 criteria to consider when it comes to select a Cadaver course for training on aesthetic procedure and related anatomy. First of all, the cadavers. Are they fresh or embalmed? Are they whole bodies or anatomical parts such as heads only? Are they pre-dissected? Are the vessels injected? And are they locals or imported? And if imported, from which country? Number 2, the program. What's the topic? About the procedure. Are they non-surgical or surgical? About the format. Is it a hands-on course or an observership? And finally, about the duration. 1, 2 or 3 days. Is there any lecture day before the Cadaver course? And is there any live demo injection after the course? Number 3, about the trainees. What is the number of delegates? Is it a group or is it a one-on-one training? And in case of group, how big is the group and how the group is divided? How many delegates are working on one cadaver, less or more than 4? Number 4, the trainers. Are they anatomists? What are their specialties and their reputation? And in case of group, how many trainers for the group? Is there only one trainer for the whole group or one trainer for each station? Number 5, the organizers. Is it an anatomy school or is it an event organized by a company sponsoring the events? Number 6, the venue. Is it organized in a university or in a private institute? About the country, is there any long history of anatomy? And what are the legal and tradition national specificities? And about the city, what is the ease of access and the attractiveness of this city? Number 7, the certification. Is there any university diploma provided? Is there a test? Are CMEs provided? Number 8, the language. Is English the official language of the course? Is there any translation? Number 9, the benefits. What is included in the fees? And last but not least, the fees. In conclusion, when you think about investing in a Cadaver course, consider all these elements and think quality before cost.